Hey yo.
Car meet time. I just woke up. Did you guys sleep? Did you sleep? Oh my god, I passed out. Best manager. So yeah, I think we're going to
Sorry.
It's okay, it's okay. I think we're going to dinner first. And then straight to New York. Nasi padang. Is it the same place we came last time? Oh shit, we came here already before.
Okay. You like them with the original? Yeah, you like that, right? And then what else? Okay.
The shrimp thing.
Oh, the shrimp. This one?
No, the one with a lot of sauce.
Di sini kami ada favoritnya. Gulai kepala ikan kakap.
Hands on.
Okay.
No one's. This is my favorite one. Akbar's favorite too. Because he's from. Wait, no, nasi padang. Because he's from Padang. Yeah. You're from Padang. No. Padang. No. I got from Bandung.
Yeah.
Bandung.
Yeah.
Randang. Well, I like that one. This one. I like this one. That's brain. Yeah, that's brain. Oh, the chicken pasta.
Yeah, it's on the way.
This one's so good. Yeah, I'll eat one. Aku kayaknya mau udang lagi. I'm so full. So full.
What's your favorite?
What's it called? Udang. Udang. So confusing everything. Udang, bandang, padang.
This is Padang.
Bandung. We're not late.
Yeah, we're not late.
We're not late. The meet starts in an hour, so we're going. The meet starts in an hour, so we're on our way. Right? Yeah. You guys at the meet. Hi. Oh, the shop is so clean.
Yeah.
We are here, but Indonesia traffic's crazy. Oh, pulling in.
Oke, sahabat saya masuk. Parkir di depan, Mas. Cabut.
didn't know there was gonna be a stage and everything. But thank you guys for coming. Sorry I'm like 2 hours late. There's so much traffic in Jakarta. I didn't know what to expect. I'm here with Garage 1. Thanks for having me, Garage 1. Shout out to Garage 1. Where is Garage 1 team? We're all here. Yeah. And I've been trying to throw pop-up meets basically wherever I've been visiting. And I think Indonesia's one is the craziest so far. Stage and everything. Yeah, and actually Indonesia is my second highest country in my audience, and I had no idea why, but it's pretty crazy, and I really appreciate from the bottom of my heart of whoever supported me from years ago for the culture. This is what brings us together like this, and this is what I love seeing. So thanks for having me, and love you guys, and let's have fun and chill. Can't wait to meet you guys. Thank you for coming.
I saw you're sweating.
I'm sweating so much.
What do you think?
What?
What do you think about this kakaria?
Oh, I love it.
Chaos.
Kakaria?
Kakaria, what's kakaria?
Kakaria apa?
Jamaican for chaos.
Chaos?
Oh, yeah.
I'm used to chaos.
Yeah.
Chaos my whole life. This is my comfort. It's still funny that there's a screen.
Yeah?
That's the only thing right now. There's a screen. Idea?
Yeah.
You're so crazy.
No, actually, we just found a place and we have something like that. So we rent all of it. We booked the entire.
So crazy.
Yeah.
I haven't checked out the cars yet. I don't know where to where is where the cars are.
The car is spread everywhere.
Everywhere, right? And then I feel like since I'm 2 hours late, not my fault because traffic. But since
it's a traffic.
Yeah.
There's some Korean concert in Senayan.
Oh, really?
The SM, you know?
Who's the artist?
Oh, I forgot. Please.
I guess there's a K-pop concert. But
Yeah.
anyways, yeah, traffic, and I'm out of breath. Bye.
Hey.
Sara, this is also
Sara.
my boss also.
Oh, you have so much bosses.
Yeah.
So the screen. I was like, oh my god.
Di better than Singapore?
Huh?
But you don't have a stomach, right?
My stomach hurts right now
Right.
because I ate peppers and I'm like,
But it was worth it, right?
yeah, so good. It's hot. This is crazy.
Thank you. It's going on my TikTok.
That's so cool.
Okay.
Thank you so much. 내 친구 검은 사자.
Which one the car that you most love in Indonesia? Like you feel like this is my car. This would be my car in here.
Do you want the professional answer or the honest answer?
Why not both?
Rod won us 1,000.
God, it's when I still can.
No, honest. That's my honest answer and my genuine answer. Professional answer.
Okay, and another one? Do you have another one that you like?
What, here?
Yes.
I didn't look at any cars. I was just saying hi to everyone. I didn't really get a chance to like check it out yet.
Kenapa dia?
Twice.
Why? Is it spicy?
No. I'm Korean. I can handle You drift?
Yeah.
Cool.
Hi, thank you, Sara.
I
See
wrote
you when?
secret. But
When I see you.
I wrote Edward, my number one fan.
And her
I
phone
thought
number.
My phone, yeah. No.
Okay, see you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, guys.
Sorry. You make video. Thank you, Indonesia.
Okay.
1, 2, 3,
Go
go! Smells like a Alteza. If we're using this for one of the comp cars, oh my god.
So we're back.
Meet's over. I am so tired. But it was great. I had so much fun. Meeting everybody. I'm tired, she's tired, he's tired. We're all tired. We're all tired. I don't know the guy with the golf bag.